Follow last segment is an animation tool, very useful to help you when you wanna to make some object or some point or some objects starts to follow another thing during the animation. I believe it's more simple show you than explain. Okay, here we have this animation. Let me switch to the edition mode, and let's suppose that I want to draw some object, and this object should start to follow this part of the candle or the lamp, right? So let me draw something here. Okay, so I have this right at this frame, keyframe, and switch to edition mode, double click to select or select using this way, and now we hold down the control to select the 2 points that Arttista will use as segment to start to follow. I select these two points here, right? And I can go here in this new menu, and the moment I let my mouse here, Arttista draws something here. Let me do again. You can see that Arttista is telling you that at this moment, these 3 points here will follow this point, and the rotation about this point is controlled by this one. So all these 3 points here will follow this point and will be rotated around it as a pivot point, and this is the point that will give us the rotation. So let's select this. Sorry. And let's do it. Animation. Okay. Now, at the timeline, you can see that our new object is following this point, and the rotation is controlled by the line former, the connection between these 2 points. It's very easy to use, and it's very useful to a lot of things, because in Arttista, as Arttista is a frame-to-frame animator, sometimes a tool like this one will be a big difference during the animation process, right? So this is the part 1 about follow last segment 2.